Hello everyone, I am Kalyani, yoga therapist and wellness consultant. Today, let's talk about a very important exercise which is often ignored but can transform your health from within. Kegel exercises. Most people focus on the visible muscles like legs, arms, or abs. But the truth is, some of the most important muscles in our body are hidden. Pelvic floor muscles. Keeping them strong is the secret to good bladder control, faster postpartum recovery, and even better sexual health. Let us understand what are these Kegel exercises. In the year 1948, Dr. Arnold Kegel, who was American gynecologist, described or invented these exercises. The pelvic floor is like a hammock or sling of muscles at the bottom of your pelvis. They provide the supportive foundation for important organs like uterus. These muscles act like a supportive foundation holding your bladder, uterus, prostate, and rectum in place. Just like we strengthen our core with planks and crunches, Kegel exercises strengthen the pelvic floor but through gentle tightening and releasing movements of the inner muscles. Kegels are done for one main reason, to improve the strength, control and endurance of the pelvic floor. But let's go deeper into its benefits. For women, pregnancy support. During pregnancy, the growing baby puts pressure on pelvic floor muscles. Strengthening them reduces back pain, supports the uterus and prepares the body for delivery. Postpartum recovery. After childbirth, pelvic muscles often become weak or stretched. Kegels help bring back muscle tone, reduce urine leakage and speed up recovery. Urinary incontinence control. If you leak urine while sneezing, coughing or laughing, Kegels help you regain control. Pelvic organ prolapse control. Over time, organs like the uterus or bladder can drop due to weak muscles. Strong pelvic floor muscles prevent or slow this condition. Sexual health. Kegels increase blood flow, sensitivity and pleasure, helping women feel more confident and satisfied. For men, better urinary control, especially useful after prostate surgery or with age-related bladder issues. Erectile health. Strong pelvic muscles improve blood flow to the sexual organs, helping with erection quality. Control over ejaculation. Men struggling with premature ejaculation can benefit greatly from stronger pelvic muscles. Confidence and core stability. Like women, men also feel the benefit of having strong inner support muscles. For older adults, men and women, as we age, pelvic muscles become weak naturally. This can cause urinary leakage, bowel control issues, or pelvic discomfort. Kegels help maintain independence and dignity in the later years. For athletes and active individuals, a strong pelvic floor improves stability, posture, and breathing efficiency. It's like adding an invisible core support system to your workouts. Let us understand who should do Kegel exercises. Women experiencing pelvic heaviness or early signs of organ prolapse, women during pregnancy, after childbirth, those with urine leakage during daily activities, women looking to enhance intimacy and sexual wellness. Men can do Kegel exercises after prostate recovery, those with frequent urination or urinary leakage, men with weak erections or premature ejaculation, athletes who want to improve core support, anyone and everyone who wants preventive care for their pelvic health, people spending long hours sitting which weakens pelvic muscles, and seniors who want to stay active, independent and confident. Let us understand who should avoid completely Kegel exercises. If you are experiencing pelvic pain, severe prolapse or recent surgery, please consult your doctor before you begin. Sit comfortably. You can sit cross-legged on the mat or on a chair with your spine erect and shoulders relaxed. Bring awareness to your pelvic region. The muscles you would use to stop the flow of urine or hold back gas. Gently contract those muscles. Lift them inward and upward. Without tightening your abdomen, thighs or buttocks. Hold the contraction for 3 to 5 seconds and then relax completely for another 5 seconds. Continue for 10 to 5 rounds, gradually increasing hold time to 10 seconds as you get stronger. In yogic practice, this is similar to Mula Bandha, where energy is drawn upward from the root chakra, Mooladhara. Practicing this daily helps in grounding energy, improving bladder control, postnatal recovery, and even enhancing core stability. Now for Pavan Muktasana, lie down on your back and bend your knees towards your chest. Wrap your arms around your legs and gently press the thighs against your abdomen. Consciously tighten and lift the pelvic floor. Feel the connection between your abdominal pressure and pelvic engagement. Hold for 4 to 5 breaths and then release. Repeat 2 to 3 times. Now lie down on your back with knees bent and hip width distance apart. Keep your arms beside your body, palms facing upward. Inhale and slowly lift your hips up, engaging your glutes and thighs. As you hold the posture, gently contract your pelvic muscles, just like a Kegel or Mula Bandha. Stay for 5 to 6 breaths, then exhale and lower your hips down slowly. So practice these exercises daily. Consistency is the key. Breathing should be normal and start with small repetitions, and gradually you can increase the number of repetitions. Do not tighten your abs, thighs or buttocks. Only focus on the pelvic floor. Do not overdo because your muscles can get tired. Do not make urination the time to practice because it may cause problems later. After consistent practice for 1 month, the benefits that you will notice are reduced urine leakage and better bladder control, faster postpartum healing, prevention of prolapse in later life, improved sexual confidence and satisfaction, better posture, stability and inner strength. So friends, Kegel exercises are small, invisible and simple but very powerful. You don't need any yoga mat, gym or any special equipment. You can do them sitting at your desk, while cooking or even watching TV. Strengthening your pelvic floor means strengthening your foundation, the base of your health and confidence. Whether you are a woman or man, young or old, pregnant or not, Kegel exercises can help you live stronger, healthier and confident life. So keep doing Kegel exercises regularly and get benefited. If you like this video, please like and share my video and subscribe my YouTube channel if you haven't yet. Next week I am coming up with such informative and interesting videos, so stay tuned. Thank you.